Hello, hello, hello. Yes, today I wanted to talk about the potential legal and financial consequences, okay, with CJ So Cool supposedly paying his partner, Lexi Lowenmeyer, out of his business account because somebody else spoke on that, but they really didn't get into like the legal ease of the situation, like legally what would happen if he did this. Okay, it says piercing the corporate veil. The primary benefit of an LLC is that it protects the owner's personal assets from business liabilities. When the owner uses the company's bank account to pay personal expenses, they are commingling funds. This blurs the line between the business and the individual, and the court could pierce the corporate veil, making the owner personally liable for the LLC's debts and lawsuit. Tax fraud and audit risk. Personal expenses paid out of a business account are non-tax deductible. If the business owner tries to claim personal expenses on business write-offs, they can be flagged for an IRS audit. This could lead to severe penalties for tax fraud, including fines, back taxes, and interest. Okay. Embezzlement. In a multi-member LLC or corporation, using company funds for personal reasons without authorization could be considered embezzlement, which is a criminal offense. Okay, legal action. Anyone with financial interest in the company, such as a co-owner or creditor, could take legal action against the owner for misappropriation of funds. Okay, so that's kind of the implications that could happen if a person was to withdraw um, business funds and pay a partner from their business account. Okay, depending on how the LLC is structured, they could be face serious um, legal consequences. Okay, you can even get in trouble for tax fraud, tax evasion, okay, and things like that, depending on how the LLC is structured. So I don't understand, you know, just off of his partner saying that, someone can go to the IRS and report him, and then he can get an audit done on him. And if the audit comes back or anything looks strange, he can be in serious trouble, okay, by law. Not to mention if he was hiding money from the courts, um, and his baby mama was to take him to court for child support, she can get him for back child support for hiding money through his LLC because now he no longer has that legal protection of an LLC if he's paying personal funds out of the LLC, depending on how the LLC is structured. So there you go. And with that being said, I'm out.